You're listening to Faith, Stewardship, and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. The show that gives pastors and church leaders the clarity they need to protect their people, property, and ministry.
Welcome back to Faith, Stewardship, and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. I'm your host, Ron Wadley, with Insurance for Texans. We help church leaders protect their people and property with wisdom and clarity. Today, we are talking about something that church leaders may not know is important, and that is cyber liability insurance. Landry is the pastor of a church in Fort Worth. One morning, he sat down in his office with his coffee to finish preparing Sunday's message. He opened his laptop, typed in the church website, and immediately knew something was wrong. The homepage was gone. In its place was a ransom message, locked behind disturbing images and a demand for payment. The site was frozen. Online giving was disabled. Live stream access was gone. And suddenly a church that had never thought of itself as a target was being held hostage. Landry felt a knot in his stomach that every leader knows. He didn't even know where to start to fix things. How could something like this happen to their small Fort Worth church? This wasn't just a technology inconvenience. It was a ministry crisis. What Landry learned very quickly is something many Texas church leaders are only now realizing. Cyber threats are no longer aimed only at large corporations or banks. Churches have become attractive targets because they store personal data, process donations, rely on volunteers, and often lack professional IT oversight. Cybercriminals know that churches want to act quickly, quietly, and compassionately. That makes them vulnerable. Cyber liability insurance exists for moments exactly like this. It's a specialized form of protection designed to respond when digital systems are breached, data is stolen, or operations are locked down by ransomware. For churches, that means coverage for restoring systems, paying for forensic investigations, notifying affected members, handling legal obligations, and managing the reputational fallout that follows a breach. Landry's church learned that a cyber attack doesn't just affect computers. It affects trust. If donor information is exposed, confidence is shaken. If personal records are compromised, relationships are strained. If the church appears unprepared, the damage can linger long after the systems are restored. Phishing emails, fake login pages, and malicious links are often the entry point. One volunteer clicking the wrong link can open the door to massive disruption. And once attackers are inside, the costs multiply quickly, not just financially, but emotionally and spiritually. Cyber insurance doesn't just pay bills. It brings experts to the table when leaders are overwhelmed. It provides guidance when emotions are high and decisions matter. It allows pastors to stay focused on shepherding people while professionals handle containment, recovery, and communication. That's the difference between scrambling and responding. True Texas church insurance approaches cyber coverage the same way we approach everything else, by asking better questions up front, by understanding how your church actually operates online, and by matching coverage to real risks instead of generic assumptions. Landry's church didn't just restore their website. They restored confidence. They tightened procedures. They learned what it meant to treat digital stewardship with the same seriousness as physical stewardship. If your church uses online giving, stores member information, communicates digitally, or relies on volunteers to manage technology, cyber risk is already part of your ministry, whether you've planned for it or not. Now is the time to get clarity. Reach out to the church insurance agents at Insurance for Texans and talk through whether your current coverage actually protects you from today's cyber threats. You can connect with our team at insurancefortexans.com. And if you want a deeper framework for making wise, steady decisions as a church leader in uncertain times, get a copy of our book, The Promise of Certainty, at thepromiseofcertainty.com. I'm Ron Wadley, and this has been Faith, Stewardship, and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. Until next time, remember, insurance is about protecting your church's future for years to come.
Thanks for listening to Faith, Stewardship, and insurance. Until next time, remember, insurance isn't just about policies. It's about safeguarding the mission God has called you to lead.